Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to solve the permutation problem by using the formula for permutation, which is n exclamation point over n minus r exclamation point, which that stands for n factorial over n minus r factorial. And you can see that the r is the number of choices we need to make, and the n is the number of choices we have to choose from. And a regular keypad has the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Altogether, that's 10 numbers. So we have 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial, which is 10 factorial, and 10 minus 4 is 6 factorial. So factorial means to take all these numbers and multiply them beside. You're going to multiply all these numbers over all these numbers multiplied by each other. And then these cancel out. So you end up with 10 times 9, which is 90, 90 times 8, which is 720, and 720 times 7, which is, but if you stick around for a few minutes, I'll show you how your calculator can do all your work for you. So when we're using our calculator, we want to make sure it's on, make sure it's clear, on and clear. We'll make sure there's nothing held in your memory. And for permutation, the number we have to choose from goes in our calculator first, and we press enter, and then we come here and press this PRB. And if it's a permutation, we're dealing with this P. If it's a combination, we're dealing with the C, but we need the permutation, so we're just going to press enter, and then we press the number that we need to choose, which is 4, and enter, and it gives us our answer. Thanks for watching.